For my service learning project, I volunteered at Bishop Place and the Community Action Center in Pullman. At the beginning of the semester, I took part in after-dinner drinks at Bishop Place, where I socialized with the residents while serving drinks to those who wanted them. More towards the end of the semester, I volunteered at the Community Action Center, where I sorted and organized food that was donated. My first volunteering experience was after-dinner drinks at Bishop Place. Going into this experience, I was not sure what to expect, and my expectations were different from what after-dinner drinks actually was. I was expecting after-dinner drinks to be much more group-oriented, where I would work with the other volunteers as well as socializing with the residents at Bishop Place. Instead, it was very individualistic. Although after-dinner drinks was disorganized compared to my other volunteering experience, it was a good opportunity to take initiative and learn how to be a better leader. Additionally, socializing with the residents at Bishop Place helped me to become a better communicator. I had never talked to or met with the residents or any of the volunteers before going to after-dinner drinks. To keep an open conversation with the residents, I used open-ended questions and reflective listening to show that I understood. My second experience volunteering was organizing food bank donations at the Community Action Center. Upon arriving at the Community Action Center, I was greeted by the event organizer, who gave me a quick rundown of the system in place and what my job would be. This volunteer experience was much more team-oriented than the after-dinner drinks. There were 4 other volunteers that were also sorting donations, and it was important that we all coordinated with each other to follow the system and place donations in the right place. Because I volunteered at the Community Action Center shortly before Thanksgiving, the Community Action Center was receiving a lot of donations. Therefore, we had to work together to sort these and fit them on a shelf. Volunteering at the Community Action Center helped to build my organizing skills while also growing my team working abilities. I used the organizing information flows competency to organize the donations on the shelves. I would file most of the donations into their specified section on the shelf, or I would refer them to the event organizer if I was unsure where the donation should go. Some donations I would act on and put directly on the shelves for the visitors to take. Finally, there were some donations that were open or expired, and these I would toss. There were also some actions that were more urgent and important than others. It was urgent and important that I placed donations on the shelves for the visitors, and that I took the donations out of the bins and placed them on the shelves so that more could be stored. Overall, I had a good experience working with these organizations. 1 in 7 Americans rely on food bank assistance, and 43% of all seniors surveyed reported that they felt lonely. It was nice to have an impact on my community knowing that these problems exist.